Welcome to the latest tutorial on designing the coolest and most vibrant happy birthday flyer in Photoshop. In this video, I will take you through the step-by-step process of making a stunning and colorful birthday flyer. So let's get started. Let's begin by creating a new Photoshop document with size 2000 by 2000 pixels. Set the background contents to transparent. Head over to File and place your image in the Photoshop document. After importing the image, make a selection around the character using any of the selection tools available. Let's refine the edges of the character to make them smooth. Set the output to New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. Right-click on the layer mask and apply it. After that, select both layers and resize them a bit. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle behind the character. Duplicate the ellipse layer and increase the size of the duplicated one with Ctrl and T on the keyboard. We will need only the selection of the enlarged circle, hence turn the visibility off for now. Create a new solid color layer on top of the character's layer and choose white. At this point, we are going to clean part of the color fill layer, so press Ctrl key on the keyboard and click on the layer thumbnail of the enlarged circle. Select the mask thumbnail of the color fill layer. Set the foreground color to black and press Alt plus backspace key on the keyboard to erase the selected part. Good. Now press Ctrl and D to deactivate the selection. Turn the visibility of the background image back on. We don't need the enlarged circle anymore, so delete it and change the color of the circle behind the character. Click on the character's dress to sample its color. Let's add some shadows by creating a new layer on top of the circles layer and rename the layer as Shadows 1. Select the brush and set the flow to 2%. Start painting behind the character. After that, group all the layers found below the color fill layer and rename the group as Image. Perfect. If you've made it to this point, congrats. Select the ellipse tool once again and draw a circle. This circle will be turned into a 3D ball. Change the color of the circle and create a new layer on top of it. Rename the layer as Shadows and clip it onto the circle layer. Select the brush tool and start painting around the bottom of the ellipse using a brush flow of 2%. Once you are done, create a new layer again and name it as Highlight. Clip this layer onto the Shadows layer. Open the color picker and select a lighter color. Start painting around the upper parts of the ellipse to create a highlight effect. This is already looking nice. Set the blending mode of the shadow layer to multiply and reduce the opacity to 82%. Let's add some shadows beneath the ball to make it even more realistic. Create a new layer and rename it as Shadows 2. Drag the layer beneath the circles layer. Choose a darker color and select the brush tool. Click on any empty space using the soft round brush with a flow of 100% to create a dot. Press Ctrl and T on your keyboard and stretch the dot. Add more shadows to the bottom of the ellipse and keep on adjusting them till you get what you want. Select all the layers and group them. Rename the group as Ball. Duplicate the ball using Ctrl and J and increase the size a bit. Duplicate once again and keep on repeating the process. It's time to add the text. Select the type tool and add the happy birthday caption. Make sure to type the words individually. The font I used for the happy text is Fredoka 1. Paul Poppins was used for the birth and day text. Great, now that we are done with the caption, let's go ahead and add the person's name. Increase the size of the name and reduce the opacity to 16% for now. Adjust the size a bit and reduce the opacity once again to 10%. Select the type tool and click and drag on the name to create a text box. This is where we are going to add the subtext. The subtext could be inspirational birthday messages. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to paste Photoshop's dummy text. I used the Arial font for my subtext. At this point, the birthday flyer is almost complete. But you can go ahead and experiment with different colors for the balls, text and background. Now let's add one last feature. Select the type tool and type +1 and today. Play around with the text as you please and call it quits. There you have it, how to create a stunning and colorful happy birthday flyer design in Photoshop. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more Photoshop tutorials. See you in the next one.